How could you not? Look at that wang.
Look at this. Look at this. I have my World of Warcraft Alliance Griffin in the back windshield. Wow.
Those wheels are nice on that truck. I like those. That color.
Should we go into the famous footwear?
Yeah, let's see if we can get famous with our footwear.
What the fuck was that? That sounded like you moaning. Literally, that sounded like you.
We don't tell people how CK David sounds. That's against the rules.
We were doing that last night. We were like, oh my god, these people are gonna be like, why are they making animal noises?
Let's just see how weird of noises we can do before people catch on.
What is there to do around here? Like, if we just like want to fuck around and like go into a store, is anything open or is it all closed?
I mean, there is a Walmart, I think, down there. We could walk.
Is the Petco open? I don't think it is. I think it's too late.
I don't think they allow it. Well, it's Sunday in Utah too, and you know, everything's closed. This is like Happy Valley, nowhere's open.
Cameraman, let's look at how beautiful she looks. Oh, CK David.
Wow.
No, yeah, those people over there were like, what?
Honestly, I don't know how I'm typing and like holding this camera at the same time. I'm really good.
Oh shit. Oh yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, someone blow their engine for me, yes.
This is me 100%.
Ba-da, ba-da.
Holy fuck. he's
Ooh,
on back.
we got a rev battle here.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
That pop. Sounds like I opened a can of Coke. Gotta make sure it doesn't ooze out. Ooh! Ooh.
You're so.
That sounds so good. How do you not?
I really like the green brake calipers on this. With the blue. Wow, that guy's straight vibing.
Oh, 100%.
Don't record him. Oh my god.
He's just really loud.
Just kidding.
It's a parking lot. You're cool. Full send.
Turbo. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's getting out.
Mm. What color is that? What color code is that? Like, what's the name of it?
I think it's World Rally with the pearl.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful color.
Thank you. You guys filming a video?
Twitch streaming.
Twitch? No.
Mhm. What do you think? Could this be your next car?
Honestly, I like these. I drove one.